I've been burning the midnight oil in the night studio lately, updating Dusky Raven Art Escape. Ran across this old book that belonged to my parents, the collected works of Edgar Allan Poe. I'm Wendy Bale, and I'm here to invite you to a Dusky Raven Art Escape double feature on Zoom, inspired by this old book. This online art workshop will be centered around the famous poem, The Raven, by Edgar Allan Poe. For this mixed media art project, we'll incorporate the text into our work. We'll talk about storytelling through our art, how drawing is the backbone of other art forms, and experiment with various media. Besides the poem, we will discuss the difference between crows and ravens, and I will give you some tips how to draw them. Using the text itself as an art element, we will layer a background and also use the text in a paper sculpture. We'll wrap this all up by showcasing our work on a pair of Poe-inspired collages. Think of this as a little Dusky Raven Art Escape sampler. These are just some of the topics that we discuss in the membership, where I bring together nature artists with multimedia projects, intriguing inspiration, and guest artists from around the globe. Following the Dusky Raven quest, we help each other find our creative superpowers. Join us each night for this public event, April 1st and 2nd, 7 p.m. Eastern. Spend a couple evening hours in the night studio. Class fee is $8 for both nights and includes templates and a resource guide. Reserve your seat in the class at wendybaleartfirst.com/Dusky Raven. You'll be stark raven glad you did.